for tuning in. So that time didn't go well, but practice makes perfect, so that's okay. Today I got my new Skyzone Sky02X. I've got the pagoda antennas here, but actually the stock linear antennas do a better job. Today I'm flying the UR85HD and the eSheen trash can. These are my batteries. I'd like to fly 3S, but just get some practice before I do. It's a beautiful day out here today. And last time I came here, I couldn't try the gaps, so here I go. You can see quite clearly on the HD recording, but that really came out of nowhere. And if you look at the shadows, the batteries are dangling. He also had some damage if you look at the two front propellers. Strangely enough, that's not causing any significant impact on the stability of the image, so I guess that's okay. The good thing about having two goggles is you can share your FPV feed. He's really having fun, but I gotta tell him, don't walk with your goggles on, because it could be dangerous. The diversity signal is doing great. With my EV800, the image was all flaky. How are you liking the HD feed? It's not bad, right? The file size isn't too big, and it's really easy working on my iPad with the footage. Maybe I could have pulled it off with my 3S. It becomes so much more responsive. I'm ordering 2 more. So I'm really looking forward to getting them. BV is so fun. If you haven't started, I definitely recommend. I learned practically everything about this on all these YouTube videos up there. So great thanks to everyone. Here I was going down too fast and I didn't have enough power to control. But of course that's okay because this is practice. Quad is so light. That impact left virtually no damage. I lost receiver signal here. So that wraps it up. Thanks for watching. See you again.